Hello everyone, look at this. This is the coloring book. I made this with my own hand. Green, yellow, blue, orange, purple, pink. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors. Hello guys. Hello friends. Today I made this with and on this book, and this is the barcode of the money of the price of the book, and it is looking like Korean book, but it is not toy book. We can color it. I really like. This is green. We have to do this triangle green. We need to do this heart shape red. And let's go to the next page. We need to do this square orange. We need to do this rectangle blue color. Okay. We need to do this circle pink. I think this is the best one. I like pink so much. And this is we need to do this arrow yellow color. And we'll try some more. And we need to do this per sign of the church purple. This is what color I did from mistake. There's no space. That's why I did it in the upper side. And this is we need to do this egg, orange shaped egg brown. Okay. Let's turn on. Let's go to the next page. We need to do this car black tires. Body we need to do. Gray, but we need to do a whole going in the road tries. It will be real quick, but it is a golden car. I'm be the rich of the golden car. Oh, sorry, I missed something. We need to do this basketball orange. The basketball will need be orange. It is only orange. And this flower, pretty flower, very cute flower. We need to do the waves green and the patterns of the flower, 4 patterns of pink. Pink is my best. Now we need to do this and with the that's okay guys, sorry. It is a game we play in the mobile, in the TV. We got a game store. Just download it in the mobile app. It is an Angry Bird board. We need to do it red. Coloring book.
Next.
We need to do this crescent moon of the Ajmer birthday journey. But we need to do gray. And this is the 15th page number. This is a piggy bank. We need to do this. Wait, what's this color? It was science, but and this is my favorite science color board, action color. I love this so much. My favorite board. But for this, now this is a piggy bank. I mixed it with green and blue on this. We need to do this color. This is the barcode of the price of the money. 60 page number. And we need to do this, but it is for. It is a cute book, but I like this. My friends, if you like this book with the barcode on this, just like my channel, subscribe. Bye everyone, bye. Take care.